This program is for calculating simple interest using for loop. So here for is used for count is equal to 1, then count is less than or equal to 3, then count is equal to count plus 1. So for loop is used for that. If this program is compared with while, it can be seen that 3 steps: initialization, testing and incrementation required for the loop construct we have now been incorporated in the for statement. So that means in for statement 3 steps are there. First is initialization, then testing and incrementation. So these are steps which are required while using for statement. Now let us examine how the for statement gets executed. So these are steps for statement to get executed. When the for statement is executed for first time, the value of count is set to initial value 1. So first value is set to initial value 1. So this is first step. Now the condition count is less than or equal to 3 is tested. Since count is 1, the condition is satisfied and body of loop is executed first time. So this is second step, that now the condition count is less than or equal to 3 is tested. So this is second condition. Now upon reaching the closing brace for control is sent back to the for statement when the value of count gets incremented by 1. That means first it is set at initial value. Now it tests that condition, that is count is less than or equal to 3, and then in third portion we increment this value by 1. Again the test is performed to check whether new value of count exceeds 3. That means a test is performed to check whether a new value of count is exceeding 3. Now if the value of count is still within the range 1 to 3, the statements within the braces of for are executed again. That means within the range from 1 to 3, in second condition it is comparing that is it up to 3. That's why it is said that if the value of count is still within the range 1 to 3, the statements within the braces of for are executed again. That means it will range from 1 to 3. It will start from, after starting from 1, it will check that condition up to 3. Now the statements within braces of for are executed again. The body of for loop continues to get executed till count doesn't exceed the final value 3. That means till the count reaches up to final value, that is 3, the body of loop continues to get executed. Now when count reaches the value 4, the control exit from loop and transfer to the statements, if any, immediately after body of for. So after reaching that particular value, that statement is stopping. So this is a flowchart for program. First is start, now initialize, now test. If condition is false, then stop. If it is true, then body of loop and then increment. And after incrementation again test. So this is flowchart for the program.